It is recommended that if you are using Visual Studio Code, that you install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code, which is a very popular tool among Python developers due to its numerous benefits and features that's going to enhance the Python development experience. Let's get it installed. First of all, open up Visual Studio Code. If you are following along with this setup series, then this might be the second time you've opened up Visual Studio Code. If you were working with a previous project, you may notice that Visual Studio Code will open to the previous project that you had open when you closed Visual Studio Code. Now, on the left-hand side here, there's a few different options. One of these options is the Extensions tab. So from here, we can install the Python extension. You can see it down the bottom here, but what we need to do is just type in Python. That will help us filter out the extensions. And up top here, you can see the Python extension, the official Python extension. It is managed by Microsoft, sorry. You can see it right here, and there's 109 million downloads. It is a very popular extension. So just go ahead and press install. That will take a few seconds to install. And once that is done, we'll just use this button here to clear the extension's search results. Once that's finished installing. Once we clear that, you can now see all the installed extensions. So you can see that's installed Python and Pylons. Two benefits of installing this extension that we're going to see throughout this course is that this extension is going to provide intelligent auto completion. So intelligent auto completion suggests as we type, helping us write code faster and with fewer errors. In addition to providing intelligent auto completion, this extension will also provide linting and code analysis. So this extension supports popular linters such as Pylint Flake 8, which we're going to install, which is going to help us analyze our code as we type for potential issues, style violations, and errors. It's going to highlight these within our code so that we can then correct them, which is ultimately providing and promoting code quality. It might be worth noting that you can follow along all of our courses without installing any extensions. These extensions are here to help support code development and enhance your code quality.